mine, and I think of it kind of as I don't want to get too morbid, but it's a certain kind of lullaby. You know, it's like a bee lullaby. You know. Go to sleep, little girl, curled up next to me. You're deep in my world through the pictures I see in the lens of your eyes, and a sweet compromise, for the cycle of life isn't tame. No more will the leaves merely fall from the trees and be carried away by the wind, but each one represents in this final lament all the beauty derived from that sin. So don't make me wonder if you're ever coming home. You can shake me like thunder, but the lightning never little girl, and let me believe that life can be more than a test ill-conceived, and I'll keep it in mind when you say we'll be fine. But for now, I should just walk away. Pay no mind to the pain, it makes you tears with the rain. One last kiss and I won't bite your lip. Though we take to the sky, we can always rely on our rhyme to take care of the dear. So don't make me wonder if you're ever coming home. You can shake me like thunder, but the lightning never lightning never comes. No, the lightning